The Kitchen presents the winner of the 48th Pillsbury Bake Off Contest. Congratulations, Amy Nelson from Zionville, North Carolina, whose winning dish is her bejeweled cranberry orange rolls.
I was inspired for the filling for these rolls by my mom's cranberry salad. I'm just spreading my cool cranberry filling onto the rolls. The bejeweled comes from all these nice little cranberries that don't quite pop. They're kind of like the rubies in the bejeweled rolls. I ice these with this orange icing. It is the perfect family breakfast.
Congratulations, Amy. Brought to you by Pillsbury. What matters most is made at home.